ke adhula. Kama ni tim mar Gor Mahia kawuono yudo sir mar omenda mar siling 1,800 mar konyo chulo jotugo omenda gi mabalang kata bonus.
Migao ma tudruok kod lony manyasani Eliud Owalo hemo chiwo sir makamano.
Magi timore kinde ma ne obagi nyasi mar math mokinyi ne jotugo ma Gor Mahia kogalo e magawa ma Serena.
Owalo wacho ni Gor oere kod tim mar siko loko jotugo higa ka higa machwe kelo pek ne timno.
Jakom mar Gor Ambrose Rechiro poyo Owalo kuom chiwo kony makamano.
So the Ambrose is charge of security and assistance. I first of all want to appeal to those players who leave us. We do not intentionally refuse to pay you. We don't pay sometimes because we do not have the money. If we have the money, we will pay. But the amount that we get from the sponsorship is hardly sufficient to pay the salaries and meet the daily operational expenses that we are confronted with.
You have got a young but extremely talented team that, if nurtured and kept together, can go places. We have always had good, talented players, but year in, year out, we lose some players and then bring in new players, and that breaks the rhythm and consistency in the team.